The dawn of digital note-taking.
Note-taking has evolved dramatically from paper notebooks to digital organizers. Early applications like Microsoft OneNote and Evernote paved the way, allowing users to write, organize, and search their notes on electronic devices. The leap to cloud-based systems meant notes could be accessed from any device, anywhere, foreshadowing greater collaboration and flexibility for individuals and teams.
The rise of Google Keep.
Google Keep introduced a simple yet powerful approach to cloud-based note-taking in 2013. With its colorful interface and seamless syncing across devices, it enabled users to jot down thoughts, set reminders, and share notes effortlessly. Integrated within the Google ecosystem, Keep quickly became a go-to tool for quick lists and ideas on the move.
Notion and advanced collaboration.
Notion brought a new level of organization to cloud note-taking. Launched in 2016, it combined notes, databases, to-do lists, and wikis in one platform. Users could collaborate in real time, assign tasks, and link documents. Notion's flexibility made it popular among teams, students, and creators, expanding note-taking beyond just text to include project management and knowledge bases.
Beyond Keep and Notion, a thriving ecosystem.
The landscape now features a wide array of cloud-based tools. Applications like Microsoft OneNote, Apple Notes, Zoho Notebook, and Simplenote cater to various needs, whether minimalist or feature-rich. Each service leverages cloud technology for syncing, security, and sharing, allowing individuals and organizations to find the perfect fit for their workflows.
Impact on collaboration and accessibility.
Cloud-powered note-taking revolutionized how we work together. Real-time collaboration, cross-device access, and robust search functions have made sharing knowledge simpler than ever. Teams can brainstorm, plan, and track tasks, while individuals enjoy always available notes, no matter the device. The growth of these platforms continues to shape productivity and the way we communicate ideas.